Hello everybody, the ingredients that I am going to cook this afternoon are: I have a garlic, I have a onion, we call this gapi, I don't know what is this in English, and this is okra. I have eggplant here. This is a variety of bell pepper, and I have a squash. See that, guy? This is a variety of squash. See? It's a yellow. Clean this one. I'm gonna slice my okra here. That way. This is a gabi, guys. This is only grow in a tropical, and this is a kind of root crops. It's like a sweet potato. It's very quick to cook. I just do it halfway because I don't wanna cook this very long. Chop, chop, chop again my garlic. I do it a slant, so I have a little art on my pepper. A small onion have really different smell. It's really good. I'm ready on my ingredients. I'm cleaning this shell, guys, before I will shred this manually. This is the old coconut, and this kind of coconut, guys, has a lot of milk than the young one. In order for you to know that it's really a lot of meat inside, you can feel it, it's a little bit heavy. Okay, I'm ready now. I'm going to cut this in the middle. That I want to divide this so I can shred this manually. So now look, so this is ready to shred. Because this is a manual shredding of my coconut. Here we go. I'm gonna start right now. This is a manual kind of shredding, guys. Nowadays there is a electric kind of electric. You just turn on the switch and then you can shred your meat there. And this one is a manual type. You see that? You see the meat? Look at this, guys. The meat is almost done. See? And now this one is, I'm gonna press this and use my strainer so I can make a coconut milk for my vegetable chicken with a coconut milk. Yahoo! You know, guys, when I'm doing this, I put a lukewarm 1 cup of hot water, lukewarm water, because that's easily to get the coconut milk. Now I'm ready to press this. Then put it here. Some of the people do this. They put a little cloth and then they twist the cloth and then get the coconut milk. Me, I just do it this way. There you go. I'm going to get now the milk on this. Ooh, see? At least this one, guys, is a natural milk. No added preservative. This is what I like. See how much I produce? It's 1 cup almost, or more than a cup. See, and then I wanna mix that a soup for my chicken, vegetables with coconut milk. Jambul, jambul, jambul. There you go. My frying pan is ready on fire. I'll put oil here like that and make it warm so I can put later my garlic. Oh, my frying pan is very hot, so I'm going to put here so that my garlic will not much cook because it's too hot. This is gonna be a little bit bitter if I will cook that too much. There you go, guys. And then I wanna put now my chicken. My chicken, I already boiled this, and I put a seasoning on that. It's just only a salt and a pepper. I will fry this a little bit until it's a little bit brown. I want to put my gabi, and then I'm going to put my broth here a little bit. Chicken broth where I boiled the chicken a while ago, so that's how I cook. And then cover this until the root crops here, gabi, the white one, can be cooked and tender and soft. And so we'll just open that later. I'm going to put now my squash. There you go. As you can see, I am putting the very hard a little bit compared easily to tender. So, okay guys, we'll see if this is already tender. The squash. We'll see the tender. Jumble. Yahoo! It's already cooked. And so I wanna check my another root crops here. Okay, it's already tender too. Now I'm going to put my eggplant and the okra. I have here my eggplant and I have my okra. Haha! See my okra? And then I will stir this like that. Jumble. This is my vegetables, chicken with a coconut milk. Later on, I want to put my coconut milk. Okay, guys, here's my milk, coconut milk. I'm going to put now here while I am tenderizing my okra and my eggplant. This is my trip this afternoon, guys. Jumble. Oh, this is really good. I'm going to put this later on, my salt, my pepper, and a little bit soy sauce on this, and a little bit vinegar just to make it tasty. Look at this, guys. Look at my vegetables, chicken with a coconut milk. Really good. Just a little soy sauce. There you go, guys. I want to put a little black pepper there, my salt. I want to put a little salt here, and then a little vinegar. I like this vinegar because it helps a little bit the consistency of the taste, you know. Like that. It's just a 1 teaspoon. Wait, look at this. I wanna taste this because I'm so excited and I am hungry. Ah, this is what I love, this kind of vegetables. This is so good for me. I love this food. This is really good also for the winter or even in the summer because hot soup is good. Oh.